So I lead the enterprise data analytics organization within IT. We are responsible for enabling data so that the business leaders across the organizations can make informed decisions, get insights, for example, how our business is doing, where we should invest more, and so on. The recent role where we are developing the COE for AI practice within IT, and the way that is going to help create an impact across the organization. As we know, AI is the latest and the greatest technology that everybody is talking about. So we are trying to see how we can make our workforce more efficient, bring in use cases that's going to help the business, predictive modeling, predict revenue, bookings, so on. And there are other business areas where we are helping them with some generative AI. As part of the digital transformation initiative within IT, we came up with the EAM program, which is almost towards the finish line, where we are helping the business get information faster. So the time to insight is much faster. We had siloed core and cloud business. Now this is going to be a unified business as part of this program. And then just improving the overall user experience is one of the biggest benefits of this program. So I've got a total of 19 years of experience, and I started my journey with one of the largest Indian service providers at that time, Infosys. I've predominantly been in the data space. I joined NetApp a little over 3 years now. I was a COVID baby, if I can name myself that way. And if I talk about my career growth, it has been fantastic within NetApp because when I joined in as during COVID, I think like everybody else, I had challenges networking, building that network, and so on. But my leaders, my peers were extremely helpful. And there were multiple initiatives within the organization, like WIT, for example, is an initiative that kept going, irrespective of whether COVID hit or not, with the limited opportunities that we had. So during that, I think I was able to navigate. There were multiple challenges in terms of understanding how can I build that network. So WIT as an organization truly helped me. My leaders helped me despite the geographical differences that we had and all of that. So when it comes to inspiring inclusion, I think in my team, what we try to do is irrespective of which backgrounds they come from, irrespective of what work they have done previously, how can they be more inclusive? I mean, how can they bring in different perspectives, right? We try and ensure that every person has a voice on the table. We are more mindful about the various time zone differences because we have stakeholders also in other areas, and we try to see how we can be more mindful, how we can be more inclusive, how every single person within the organization has a voice on the table, how it is just not being driven top down versus how everybody, even at the bottom, has an equal opportunity to influence everybody else within the organization.